Hey guys, another video. I showed you how to do the basic horizontal, which looks like this. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to do the basic vertical, which looks like this. So there's actually 3 different variations you can do this move, and I will go over all 3. Straight up and down like you just saw, or you can do it on the inside, or you could do a version on the outside, which is a little bit different. So I'll go over all 3 different variations on this. Again, this is a very simple move, but of course I'll break it down for you and show you how to do it. Like a lot of moves, you want to start off with the safe handle, using kind of the side of your thumb, the side of your thumb on the inside, and the side of your pointer finger to grip it. Okay, because again, like most moves, you're going to be dropping the other handle. Okay, so what you want to do is, as you're dropping this, the bite handle, you want to do that circular motion again. This time a clockwise motion. You're going down and up towards you. Okay, because you want to bring that up like that. Okay, so you're swinging that up, top of your hand. Now as you're coming back down, okay, because that's all you're doing, you're coming up, down, and then back up. So up, and as you're coming down, what you want to do is move your thumb out of the way and kind of rotate your hand open, so that there's nothing blocking that's the back of this handle. Because that's where you're going to lift up and the other handle is going to hit. Of course, if you have your fingers wrapped around here, you're going to pinch your fingers. If you don't move your thumb out of the way in time, you're going to smack, your thumb or thumbnail. So that could be a potential, hazard. Obviously, you're not going to cut yourself on this move, but you can bruise yourself up pretty good. And actually, I would say the most painful moves I've ever done, or not really moves, but the most painful things I've ever done, rather just than getting cut, of course getting cut hurts, but actually pinching myself in by the tang area, that bruises up and that hurts a lot more, I think, than cuts. Cuts are actually probably my least worry flipping a balisong. Actually, it hurts a lot more, from my experience anyway, to get stabbed with the tip as opposed to slashed with the edge. But anyway, back to the move. So gripping your safe handle, up, down, and as you're going down, you're just rotating your hand, keeping the knife kind of steady where it is, just rotating your grip a little, and coming back up. You see what I did there? I kind of put my thumb up in the air like this to make sure it's out of the way. Okay? You can do the same exact move closed, or to close the knife. So up, down, up. Really simple. And then once it's up, if you want to grip like this, that's fine. It's kind of a little unnatural to me because the blade's facing upwards, unless of course you're cutting a string towards you, something like that. What I do is, before I grip my thumb down, I kind of use my thumb to rotate the knife, so I have a more natural type grip here. So that's basically it. Doing it up and down is obviously up and down. You can also do it, like I said, on the inside. Now that's tilting your hand kind of to the side and doing the same exact move, but almost towards the inside of your body. Okay, just it gives an overall different look. It's not really, the move itself is exactly the same. You're just changing kind of the direction you're doing it. Actually, what I just did before was the fast draw, which is not this move. There we go. So up and down, and then on the inside. Now the outside is slightly different. Okay, what you're going to do, how are you going to do the outside? Let me show you what that looks like. Okay, so what you want to do is the same thing. You're throwing that blade out, but instead of throwing it up, you're throwing it out away from you. Okay, so you're throwing it away from you. Now what you're doing is, in one motion, the second part of this move is to come around like that. Okay, so let me show you this again kind of slowly. Can I see that motion there? Your wrist is facing, your palm is facing upwards, okay, as you throw it out. And then what you're doing is, as you're coming around, you're rotating your arm. Okay, from like this, you're rotating around and then swinging it back towards you. So out, rotating around and swinging out. Now the only difference with this version of it is, once it's out, as you're swinging around, you're doing the same basic moves with your hand, but your grip, your arm is different, positioned differently. Okay, so as you're coming around, same deal. You want to move your hand, your in this case it's your palm and thumb, out of the way, so it can the handles can match up and nothing's going to block it. So straight up and down, on the inside, and then outwards. Now outwards seems to be kind of the fastest, because it's not really 3 steps. It's not up, down, up. It's more like out and then in. So those are 3 different variations on that move. Very simple vertical opening. The basic vertical opening. So once again, I hope the video was helpful and we can have a new move on your list of on Balisong moves. So thank you very much for watching my video. I appreciate it, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day.